Working out is definitely a part of my daily life. After I had my daughter, I completely changed my workouts. I started doing yoga, Pilates, ballet, things that are more lengthening, and I was more passionate about it. I love it, and it makes me feel good to be healthy and strong. Getting ready for the runway, you are working out as hard as you can. There's not a moment where you're not thinking about getting ready for the show and wanting to give your all, because when you give your all, you feel so much more confident on the runway. The final words I say to myself before I hit the runway is always being thankful. You know, we work so hard to get there to be a part of the show, and I always feel so blessed that I get to be a part of this phenomenal experience and see how far I've come in my job. It's really incredible.